All right, welcome back, and we head straight to Kisumu County, where health workers in that county have actually addressed the members of the press concerning a concerning a strike notice that they're now issuing to the county government following the delay to give them their net salary, of course, after that impasse that's happening between the National Assembly and senators. Let's cruise over there and listen in live.
The Kenya National Union of Nurses, Kenya Union of Clinical Officers, the Kenya National Union of Medical Laboratories, and the Union of Kenya Civil Servants hereby jointly issue a 7-day strike notice effective from 3rd and expiring on 10th September 2019 at midnight. This has been occasioned by the following persistent and unresolved issues affecting Kisumu County employees. 1. Unlimited loan deductions that has resulted into salaries of employees being deducted, that is, double deduction to repay the loans. 2. Persistent delayed salary payments, which has had far-reaching implications and suffering on employees. This is a breach of the previous agreements. 3. Unlimited statutory deductions that has resulted to employees not getting essential services such as NHIF cover and various insurance policies, among others. 4. Stalled promotions and redesignations. We have all signed this strike notice by the branch secretary, KNUN, branch secretary, KNUMLO, branch secretary, KUKO, branch secretary, KMPDU, and branch secretary, UKCS. So that is the official strike notice that we have this morning served to the county government of Kisumu. It has been received and stamped, as you can see. Our being here and calling you here is also to give the official position of the Kisumu County employees or workers concerning the payments of salaries. We can authoritatively confirm that the county government of Kisumu has not paid all the salaries to the workers for the month of July 2019. The county government made some local arrangements with the banks around to pay the workers through an overdraft. This was done to several banks, but not all the banks have adhered to the request of the county government to pay the workers through an overdraft. Banks like Barclays Bank, Family Bank, have not paid the July salary up to date. And the reason is, 1, the county government of Kisumu does not hold any account with these banks. And therefore, it is difficult for those banks to give any overdraft to the county government for payment of salaries. To be specific, Barclays Bank is owed a total of 40 million by the county government in terms of unpaid or unlimited loan repayment monies. And the wage bill for about 300 workers who are earning their salaries through Barclays Bank is around 10 million. So this is to say they want to owe Barclays Bank 50 million in total for the month of July. And this is why Barclays Bank management has categorically stated that they cannot pay and they will not pay. Family Bank the same, plus other banks and SACCOs. This means that most of our workers have not received their salaries for July. The other banks which have paid salaries through an overdraft used the same net salary that they gave as an overdraft to repay the loans that our workers have with them. And this is where we are talking of double deduction. You have been deducted in the payslip as from gross salary, which the government is supposed to pay. Our salaries should be complete when it is gross salary. When it comes to the payslip, now it comes with all the deductions and the net. Now what has happened is that the banks have used the net to pay the loans. What does it mean? It means that no Kisumu County worker has earned any salary for July. And today we are in September 3rd, and we are still talking about the salaries for July, which means we have not been paid the salaries for August. The most painful thing is that the workers are mothers, they are fathers, they are guidance. They have big families to take care of. Children are going back to school. Some are going to colleges. Our employees, our members are stranded with children in the houses. And even the houses, some of them have been chased away by the landlords. We want to tell the Kisumu residents that even the services that are being given as at now, especially in health sector, is a risk. We want to advise the citizens of Kisumu that beginning now, they should make prior arrangements to collect all the patients who are in those hospitals, to take them to safer places, to safer health facilities, private facilities, so that they can continue getting services. Otherwise, the services that are being given as at now are not safe. Tell me,